If you want to keep your Fortnite or Epic Games account safe, here is how to enable 2FA. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account from a browser. Go to epicgames.com and press on sign in. Then sign in with your email or Google or Steam, or if you don't have an account, create a new account. Step 2. Once you're in, click on your profile in the top right and go to Account. This will take you to the settings. Now, go down to Password and Security. Here, you'll see two-factor authentication. Choose one of the available methods. I really recommend using both Authenticator app and email. Don't use the SMS one because there is some SIM swap stuff going on with scammers, and I don't want you to fall into that trap. So use email or Authenticator app. Ideally, use both. Press on Setup. And now, go to the Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code, and then enter the key that it gives you here. This also unlocks free rewards in Fortnite like the Boogie Down emote, on top of protecting your account from hackers. So take 1 minute, set up 2FA, and your Epic Games account will be way safer. And your Epic Games account will be way safer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.